Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. My name is Greg Deckler, and today we're going to be talking about the incredibly difficult challenge of marketing fabric. And get excited because you guessed it, it is time for more fabric lore. The marketing dilemma. Once upon a time, there was a marketing team with names chosen completely at random. There was Jerome, but goes by Jake because he's cool like that, and not Jerome, or Jay for that matter. One day, evil Lord Sachi appeared before them. I have a diabolically impossible task for you. Convince four radically different personas with wildly different needs, desires, and perspectives that our new Fabric data analytics platform is the bee's knees. Do this or feel my wrath. Smoke bomb. Did he just yell smoke bomb while throwing a smoke bomb? Thought that only happened in like anime. Lame. Was he trying to make it look like he vanished in a puff of smoke? Because I could totally see him just run out the door. Super lame. Despite Lord Sachi's lameness, they had a problem. There were indeed four distinct personas. We had the peasants, or normal Power BI users, the nobility, Power BI premium users, the goblins, Synapse users, and everyone else, the market. If the marketing team did a bad job, the world is ending. Microsoft has abandoned us. Game over, man. Game over. Panic. I say, good sir, we are rich, snobby fancy pants who are entitled to the best. We pay hard currency for the finest technology, and now Microsoft will demand yet more gold? How rude. Rude. And no one could understand what the goblins were saying because Jay and not Jay didn't speak goblin, but it probably wasn't good. And the market would be like, did they just rebrand Parallel Data Warehouse for the fifth time? And we're supposed to think it's suddenly good? Lame. So lame. Super lame. If that happened, everyone would abandon Fabric. That would be bad for the marketing team. So the team got to work. First, the peasants. We'll need to break it to them slowly, so we'll introduce the new fabric color as an accent color months before the announcement. You mean that ugly-ass teal that looks like someone channeled the taffeta from an 80s wedding? What if they are suspicious? Those mouth breathers, they'll believe anything. And if not, we'll just lie, tell them it's for accessibility reasons, and shame them. Sweet. The nobility should be easy. We'll just tell them they get fabric as part of their P SKUs. Great idea, but won't that confuse the hell out of licensing? Not our problem. Super evil. I love it. For the goblins, we'll just slap the word Synapse in front of everything that's not Power BI, making them think that this is a natural evolution of the product and that there will be an easy migration path. But there is no easy migration path. Not our problem. Besides, they're goblins. Super evil. I love it. I don't even speak goblin. As for the market, we can use words like groundbreaking, unprecedented, and perfect to describe fabric. Oh, I've been saving this one. We can have Lord Sachi describe fabric as the biggest thing since SQL Server. Wow, what a whopper. I know, right? And so it came to pass, except nobody believed a word of that bullshit and they were burned alive at the stake by an angry mob. Except the nobility, who didn't want to get their hands dirty and didn't really have anything to complain about. Egods, how uncivilized. Uncivilized. The end. And there you have it, folks. The unofficial lore behind the marketing dilemma that is fabric. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's all I had for this video, and I'll see you next time.